Hello, I'm Teresa. And I'm a muddled mess. My house is a mess. My life is a mess. My brain's probably a mess. Um, and I'm working toward getting my house decluttered and cleaned. I just turned 50 this year. I just had to get glasses for the first time. I just hit menopause this year. And I'm at that age where I just can't keep up with everything that we have anymore. And so I'm getting older, and I know the time's going to come when I can't take care of this stuff. I'm not going to be able to move it. So I want to get it out of my house. I want to get it decluttered. And I've actually started about 3 months ago. Well, no, probably back last October, but then for about a 3-month period, there were issues with family that I had to take care of. So I had time, right? It takes time. And I had actually started the decluttering process, but I've got to continue. And I try to think about things that I have that I might have a lot of, that categories to declutter. And once upon a time, I was younger, I wore heels. So I've got a lot of them. And now that I'm older, I have back problems, neck problems, and I just can't wear them anymore. So that's what I'm going to be decluttering today. And I just grabbed a big old box. That's it. And yeah, I'm going to try and take care of these shoes back here on the shelf and get them out of my house because I'm never going to wear them again. Okay, we'll get started. Oh, yeah, such cute shoes. And that's the thing, right? You look at them and you think, oh, these were so cute. But I know I can't wear them anymore. It's going to make my back hurt. It's going to make my neck hurt. And there's no point in keeping something that you're not going to use, that you don't need. So get rid of it. A lot of these shoes are actually brand new. I bought them and then just never wore them. Oh, my boots. I love my boots, but they're heels. So they're gone. I'm at the age where I just want to be comfortable, right? I don't care about dressing up anymore. I will probably wind up keeping maybe a couple pair just in case, but I don't think I'm ever going to wear them again. And what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to make quick decisions like yes, no. And If I come across something like, I don't know, I'm putting it to the side, and then I'll revisit it and see. Okay, that's it. I've got one full box full of shoes just to donate. And so that feels pretty good. To be able to get this out of my house. And I still have more to go through. But today, that's good for me. If I can just get rid of one box a day, then I'm making progress. And that's just one step toward getting it together. So I don't know if you have large categories of things that you're not using anymore, that maybe you can say, I'll let them go. But hopefully in the end, I'm going to see a lot more progress, and I just want things to be simple. I'm getting older. I want things simple. Well, have a good day and enjoy it, and I'll see you soon.